There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby, sing on back.
Hello YouTube. Well, anyway, if you haven't seen my Instagram post, go to Ganawaki, Utah on Instagram. I got an entire, I don't know, shitload of scrap, unused pile of metal, which is supposed to have. And for ages I've been meaning to put a behind the camera here. I have a space about this wide along the wall. It's 12 feet wide to shove rods and stuff in, but I've been meaning to make it out of a shelf out of it. So I have this thing, which this is the top, this is the inside shelf, and that's the bottom. And I made it so 4 of these, so I can bolt them along the side of the wall. I'm going to put up plywood on the top, some boards on the bottom. I got them about maybe 4 feet apart, and then I'm going to cap the front with something. I made it so I can put all the rods on there. I've been meaning to do it for a while, but you know, shit happens and you start doing stuff, and you know how it is. Things get in the way. So anyway, now I have an excuse. I have to move an entire pile of junk out of the way so I can put an entire pile of junk back. But I mean, it's what I do, right? So I'm going to, in the next 3 days, because I have another load of scrap metal coming. I'm trying to clean off the whole freaking thing. I'll throw everything over here, make it a complete utter mess. Everything on that side behind me, and there's a lot of stuff. There's like I got 2 grinders, a pile of freaking steel, abrasive discs. There's like I have a shelf there made with U-channel that I temporarily made to hold some rods. So I got to take all the stuff off the top of it, everything away from it. There's stuff underneath I got to throw out. There's like roofing. It's about, right now the shelf's about this high, from right up to my waist. It's about this wide, and there's a U-channel on top. And it's just like 2-inch, what do you call it? There's 2-inch flat bar, there's 4-inch flat bar, there's copper pipe. It's all laying on a nice pile, but you put stuff on top and you move shit. So I got to clean it all out and move it. And I'll be showing you some of the other little things. Like I got like this, the magnetic chuck. I somehow now have 4 arbor presses. I got another planer. I sold the other one that's buried back here. I got all kinds of fucking junk. But I got to get that done because I have about 1,000 pounds of steel that's being dropped in here. And I need to get it off the floor in the middle. So it's going to go from over there to behind there. And no, I'm not really showing it in the video. I'm just blah, 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 blah. But it's actually a lot of freaking steel. I mean, I got bars that are 4 feet long, 2.5 inches thick, maybe 3 inches. Some are 2 inches, some are 1 inch. Everything from a 1/4 inch to a 1 inch thick rod, and 1 square one, and maybe 2 flat bars. So anyway, I'll probably take a couple of pictures and throw it in there. But I mean, it's a goddamn mess. There's not even a point. It's more like it's a waste of time you put a picture in there. So anyway, thanks for watching. I know it's me blabbing away in my video again, watching my stomach, but you know what? I got what do you call it? Chuck, a magnetic chuck here, which might work. It's in another video coming. So anyway, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Enjoy.